Tamara joins us now with a look at the forecast. Lots more rain today. Hopefully the situation is going to improve.
Yeah, today was nasty. There were warnings everywhere. We broke records. It's just a mess. The good news is we're done with it. For now, we have a couple of days to dry out, which is great. We can sort of regroup, and then we get into a new system on Saturday. But I feel safe in saying the worst of it is over, Gina. So a little bit of drying out happening now. You can see the majority of that moisture moving through. It'll drop down to the south. Part of it moves into the southern interior, the southeastern sections. That's where the majority of rain is for tomorrow. Nice dry spot in here. 2 days of drying out. Even some areas on the island will see some sunshine tomorrow. We'll get into some sunshine on Friday. And then this low sits off the north and central coast and continues to bring a few showers. So wet for you in Prince Rupert and Masset Terrace. You're moving back and forth between showers and flurries. Some sunshine for you in Fort St. John and Smithers. Sunshine on the northern sections and west coast of the island. Beautiful through central BC. Still some rain to get through in Bella Coola with a high of 4 degrees. And here's our rain. It's all through the southeastern sections. So fairly warm for this time of the year, anywhere from 3 to 7 degrees. Not a huge change in the overnight temperatures, especially once we move over to the south coast. Sunshine for you in Port Alberni. Cloudy through Nanaimo, the Gulf Islands, Victoria. Still the chance of seeing an early morning shower. You will have a dry afternoon. Beautiful on the Sunshine Coast, 8 degrees. And again, notice that overnight temperature 7, tomorrow afternoon 8. So not a huge change. Normal high in Whistler is 1 in the village. Seeing a high of 6 degrees tomorrow with cloudy skies, and cloudy in Metro Vancouver, 9 and 10 degrees. So that's our Thursday. We're dry. It's looking good. Friday's even better. A mix of sun and cloud. There's that new system on Saturday. So a few showers on Saturday. Sunday, a good chance of showers. Rain on Monday, Gina. And we're watching Monday night because Monday night we cool down to 1. We have Arctic air moving down. That's why we have only a high of 5 degrees on Tuesday and Wednesday. So Monday night we could see some flurries. We'll keep our eye on that.
Sounds good. Thank you, Tamara. Blake Price is up next with sports and...
Depending on the weather, you can see it from a 15-kilometer radius.
Lighting by design. Coming up, how the city plans to brighten the skies over Vancouver during the Olympics.